Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today, let's talk a little bit more about the affiliation marketing tutorial, which basically is how to build 1,000 month side hustle by recommending products people actually need using a 4 simple step frame form. So you wanted to choose a ready niche, so you just don't pick an actual niche. You wanted to pick a problem you have solved. High ticket and recurring commission are king. So visual list, for example, you have the AI and automation tools, there's the remote work gear, there's the sustainable living, there's the personal finances, and you wanted to use a tool like the Ahref or something that I love to use a lot, which is the Google Trends, to show rising demands in AI productivity. So you want to look for micro niches. Instead of, for example, if I type, for example, fitness, it will be giving me a lot of interests over time, and I have the rising keywords and the top keywords and all of that information. But if I look for something a little bit more specific, let's say that I go here for the search term, instead of going for fitness, let's say that I go for home gym setup for small apartments. I am really being a little bit more specific. And instead, from the past 3 months, instead of going for Mexico, let's say that I go for worldwide, and let's see what information we do have available there. So as you can see, we don't have actually anything there, and even from the past week, we don't have now that information yet. But if I go from home gym setup, let's see what we currently have. So the more specific you are, the more chances you get a few results there. So in my case, for example, I can see what people are actually looking for. For example, gym setup for home, best home gym setup, at home gym setup at home, rising keywords, for example, I can use that information, and then I can focus directly into which one is more let's say interesting for people who are directly inside there. So the interest over time actually works really well to the past week. But if I focus for the past month, the changes you can be checking out that it was more important directly from the latest of April. But the next 3 months of the past 3 months, I can see that this niche actually works for me really fine. So how can I look to get started with pick the right programs there? So basically here, you want to look out for, if you are just a beginner, I can totally suggest you, for example, to get started with Amazon Associated. Basically here, the Associated Central is an affiliation created by Amazon that can be helping you to get started making some affiliation of their products. And that means, for example, that if you recommend a product that comes here from Amazon, you can be earning an actual income such up to 10% discount, for example, of the actual commission sale. So that means, for example, if you sell a product from Amazon that costs $100, you might be earning a commission of $10 per sale, which I think is not that a lot, but I think it's to get started actually works for all of us. Something else, for example, is to get started with a partner network. The partner network actually is something that Amazon Ads now gave you for agency and providers, but this is only for people who are more likely to get started. They'll become a little bit more real there. I will be sticking around with Amazon.com Association Central Zone. So if you sign in totally for free, we have an actual full tutorial to do this process really fast if you want to check that information there. But when you choose one association elements, what you need to do is to make the content creation. So after you are now eligible to get started there, you wanted to start writing, for example, top 10 list, start writing for how-to guides, for example. People don't want a list, they want an actual solution. So videos of the superpower, show yourself using the product. If it's software, show the dashboard, and it's a physical item, show the unboxing. You can generate websites like I just did here, and you can try to promote your own products like it's so. But I believe that nowadays the best way to promote products and to let people actually buy a product is from an actual video. That's the reason why I strongly recommend to use only social medias to try to promote an actual product, because this nowadays is the fastest, easiest, and simple way to promote an actual product. So you can see, for example, that TikTok, for example, has their own products. They do have like a showcase of how the actual product works, how it feels, how it looks like when you purchase a product, how it comes directly inside there, and you can build more trust between your customers. And since this is an actual video, you can get more chances to sell directly here into TikTok. Even you can just go live and make, let's say, for example, an announcement of what this product is all about, and you can promote them, and you can actually make the purchases really, really fast, which I think is going to be really, really awesome, right? To use that information and to get started with them. So basically what I do is to, for example, try to focus. If you wanted to go, for example, from Amazon, you can do it directly from Amazon. But if you want to do it to TikTok, you can go into TikTok shop, go for the element that says sell, and here you wanted to just to sign up totally for free. Enter your actual phone or your email, tell a little bit more about yourself, your background, and you might be eligible to get started selling here into TikTok. There is a few let's say requisites in order to get started, but I believe that you can just have like a 90 days period started to see if you make some sales. If you make some sales into the 90% 90 days period of like a trial mode, you are inside there. But if you don't make any kind of sales, then you're actually out of the game. But we can even use the TikTok shop to see what kinds of video are people actually doing, because you don't have to sell directly here into TikTok. You can go from Instagram, you can sell into Facebook, you can go from Reels, you can go from Facebook Reels, I just told you, you can go from YouTube Shorts, even directly inside here. And if you're using that information, you might need it to get an actual landing page. So a landing page is somewhere where you can just put, for example, the actual page of the actual product that you wanted to provide. For example, if I go for the link into bio and I'm going to go for logged in, basically what I wanted to do is to, in my case, I wanted to focus from Amazon. Let's say that I wanted to promote an actual specific product. I select the product. In my case, since I already have my Amazon associated, the people who are into the link that I just developed, what I selected, when they clicked into that link and they purchase from that link, I'm going to be earning 10% discount of this product. So I can go directly here into my linked tree. I'm going to sign in. This is totally for free. You can do it whenever you want to. But basically, I'm just telling you that Linktree actually helps me to, let's say, get a little bit more credibility to add this information. For example, I have the Amazon linked discount. So here I'm going to add a new link. And let's say, for example, I paste this specific link that comes directly from Amazon. And once I do this, I have the Amazon product here, Nintendo Switch Pro. So inside here, what I can do is to select this element, and I go from buy Nintendo Switch Pro controller, and there we go. You can even add an image if you wanted to, or just leave it as it is. Once this process has now been successfully done, I'm going to copy and paste my new link to see that my actual link actually works. So when I create my actual video, I can tell them to purchase the product into the link to the description. If you have more than one product making into affiliation process, so they will be now sending directly inside here. They look for the product, they click directly inside there, and boom, there it is. Somewhere nearby, they're going to be paying the purchase, and I'm going to be earning a few sales per repetition. So basically, it's how the actual affiliation works. When it comes to distribution and traffic, what you wanted to do, for example, is that of course you wanted to use social media to drive people to email list. Your list is the only traffic source you truly own, so you can get a personalized newsletter, the most effective way to close high ticket affiliation sales. Into this kind of websites, you can add, for example, here something like put here your email to get more notifications about the best products into Amazon, and you can be telling them when they have more and more products to purchase that are valuable for you, and into the future might be more valuable for your in this case your clients. So basically, guys, you have a 90-day challenge if you wanted to. For example, you wanted to solve the problem, use recurring programs, disclose everything, and build an email list to focus into being helpful for 90 days straight, and the commissions will follow. Trust me, it will be working really well. You can start with Amazon Associates if you wanted to, or you can just go straight to directly from something like CJ Dropshipping or even the CJ.com to make some affiliation processes really fast. So hopefully guys, it was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully we can all see you all next time.